Hello, can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? Perfect. Okay. Okay. Thank you once again. My name is Robinson or Lockheed 12, and the competitive programming username. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use GROK AI to build a website for your clients and also help you be able to have a passive income using GROK AI. And in this case, we are going to build for this client a $3,000 website, basically a pager for that matter using GROK AI, fully coded by GROK AI. So let's get started. You don't need experience to use GROK AI, but basically you should be able to prompt the best or the best keywords of the prompt. Either you can use GROK 3, which is free if you are a premium user on X, and also if you're a premium X or premium plus subscriber on X, you can be able to access GROK 4. For this case, I've not yet subscribed or upgraded to GROK 4, of which this is going to be my next tutorial when I upgrade to GROK 4. But in this case, let's get started to building this website. In this website, I'm going to build website of logistics and product sourcing, let's say from United States, from India, from Europe, and from Asia. So we can be able to get started. But before we get that, you need to create a website, or not basically a website. You need to create a folder. In this case, I've just created a folder known as John the Ripper. Of course, John the Ripper is a software used to crack in passwords for those who are in cybersecurity, but that's the username that I just used. But also, I have also created a website, a GROK website. For those who followed the first part, I had created a Tesla car portfolio website where you can be able to build a landing page using GROK. In this case, I had the index.html and styles.css. So let me delete this content. Let me use this website instead. It's GROK website. I have the index.html and I have the styles.css. But in this case, we are going to create a logistics website. So let me write the code for a logistic website and a preview in HTML and CSS. Have the hero section. The hero section of our website is the top part of the website once you open, with image, CTAs, or call to action should be maybe WhatsApp, should have visit site factory, should also have testimonials, should have contact us, should also have map direction to Hebei. Hebei is one of the province in China. Then click enter. Let's see whether it will be able to write a code for that case. So previously I had used ChatGPT, but in this case I'm going to use GROK, and as you can see, this is GROK free doing this excellent and amazing job. It's writing the code. Absolutely amazing. Wow. So in here, oh, amazing. So we can be able to see, wow, this is excellent. And I think GROK is more powerful than ChatGPT in terms of UI arrangement of the website creation. Right now you need GROK. Like, you don't need to hire a developer to do the work. The junior developers, sorry to say this, but it's like you're going to be eliminated out of the equation, because generally you can see how smart GROK AI is. It can be able to give a great user interface. But so let me get the code, and I think it has included the CSS. Oh, it has used Tailwind CSS, so it has just scraped from the website itself. I can copy the code, go to the code editor, index.html, and save it. Good. So I can be able to open this file or index.html file on the local machine. So I will go to documents, GROK website. Okay, documents, GROK website, index.html. Let's see this. Good. Here we have the website, just as we have had from the GROK website itself. This is our global logistics solution. But now let's make it even better. Let's have the header or the navigation bar. Okay, so I'll just first exit this one so that we can have the entire landing page displayed here. Let's say include the navigation bar, home, about us, blogs, contact us. What else can we include? Yeah, let's first put those ones. It will be able now to include in the previous code base the navigation bar. Okay. Yes, and here the GROK AI is able to explain to you that I will update the previous logistics website code to include the navigation bar, including what we have written. Using the Tailwind CSS for styling will be placed at the top, and will keep the existing section headers. One thing I have discovered with GROK AI, it is accurate to whatever you had previously had input on the prompt, on the GROK prompt section. Like, it is precise to whatever you had requested or included. And in here you can be able to see this call to action buttons, the WhatsApp button, and the visit site button. So let's pick the entire code again. Let's delete this one. Let's replace the code. As easy as that. Then let's go logistics solutions. Let's refresh. Boom, and we have the navigation bar. And previously what we had requested is there. We also have the map already included in this website. So in this case we have a background, but it's not appearing. Where do we get the image for this website? We can either go and upload the image manually from here background image, but also we can try to see whether GROK can create an image, a sample image online, and replace it there. Let's say include the sample image on the hero section of a warehouse. Good. Let's see. Now let's see whether it will update the logistic website to include an image that is more appealing and a sample scrapped from online using the GROK AI. This is amazing what AI can be able to do. I'm completely building a website for a client using GROK. It's a logistics solutions company using the AI. This is how powerful GROK is. You don't need to hire developers nowadays. You need to understand the code. Okay, unfortunately right now we don't have, it didn't generate the image. Maybe that one I'll be able to use GROK for version. Let's take it easier. Let's go to this website known as unsplash.com. unsplash.com. Let's get an image URL and let's see how it is easy to import an image. Okay, let's go. Let's search here. Logistics. Interesting how we are building this website, a $3,000 website using GROK AI. Amazing. Let's go. Let me use this URL. Good. I will copy this URL, go to GROK, and I will say use this sample image on the hero section, and I paste that URL and click enter. Let's see now whether we'll be able to have, yes, you can be able to see how fast GROK is to generating a website for the clients. This is absolutely phenomenal. Do we have our image? Yeah, there it is. Let's see whether this time round we are going to nail it. This is amazing. This is absolutely amazing. Okay, amazing. Here we have our beautiful website, global logistics solution with our website, and the background image now from whatever we had. At least we have not done it manually. We have done it using AI. Let's copy this code so that we learn this program locally. Also paste it here. Let's go to the browser, refresh it. Let's see. Let's refresh. We have this beautiful website coming along just using GROK AI. Amazing. So we are going to build this website, include all the features that we need. Let's see how perfect. You can be able even to see how perfect this website is going to look. The user interface coming along perfectly, and also the code is readable. You see how smart the AI is, especially the GROK AI. If you compare to the user interface being made by ChatGPT, for those who previously watched the video, you'll be able to see that I kind of struggled at the first time, but with this one, it's giving out the best output. So let's go to the next feature. What do we need in this website or on this website? So it's kind of shallow. We have our clients say we can be able to have our vision, mission, and objectives. So you just come here on the prompt, You have to have the prompt keywords well. So let's say include the vision, mission, and objectives. Let's see how we are going to do that. Yeah, the navigation has that. It will light that code again. This is how amazing AI is. And I know most developers are worried whether AI is going to take over their jobs, but sorry to say that junior developers, I think they are going to be eliminated. We are in an era where it's either you know how to use AI, you are better advanced or advantaged if you know how to use AI. Let's see the preview of this website. Let's see whether we have the vision mission. Amazing. Here it is. Vision and mission has been included in this wonderful website. Okay, now let's try something tricky with this website. Under the about, let's have a side image and a side description. So include a side image and description of the about section. Let's see, we are going to write that. Let's see. It's going to rewrite again. You can be able to see how the website is coming along, and we are building this website using GROK AI by XAI, and you are going to make money. You can be able now to create your own product and now publish it online. It is as easy as using GROK AI, using prompt to build your brand online. Good. It's still lighting. Okay, I don't know whether I lashed it. Let's see whether it come along. Hope free. Amazing, amazing, amazing. It's okay. In as far as we don't have an image, I'll just go to Unsplash. Let's get another image. Let's use this one. Let's pick this URL. You copy that URL, then go in the about logistics. In the about us, use this sample, and you can be able to see how GROK AI can be able to remember what we had written and to prompt exactly to where we need. In the about us, use this sample image. We click enter and paste. Let's see now, it will be able to rewrite the entire code again the way it is. This is the perfect thing about GROK AI. It does not forget. If you have tried with ChatGPT, it forgets the previous code and it rearranges the UI again. But the consistency of GROK AI not changing what we need just makes it perfect to build your brand online. This is kind of amazing and I'm loving it. You should now put your website online. Amazing. Let's see. Oh, we lost it. Cargo containers. I don't know. Let's go back. Let's see. Let's edit this where the image is not showing. All shows alt of cargo containers. We need that sample image there. I want to basically use the entire of it, to build this website entirely using GROK without even using images locally. So bear with me, we are going to fix everything as it is. And it's funny because I didn't have a practice session for the use of GROK AI to build this website. So we are going to have hiccups here and there while we are doing that. Good, let's see. Let's hope it has worked. Let's see. Oh, still not working. Okay, I need to have a prompt that's working. Okay, it has refused this particular image. I don't know why. Let me use this again. Use this image in the about us. Let's see whether it will light. I'm trying to use AI as a whole, and we're gonna nail it. Something I'm sure of. AI is not failing. It's very fast. It's writing your entire website using Linux. And I know many people say we are gonna lose jobs. Yep, if you don't learn how to use AI. So you better learn how to use AI to be on the safe side. I hope it does. Perfect. It's not the perfect image, but it has generated that particular website that we needed. So let's copy the entire code. Let's go paste it here. So you can be able to put your brand out there. Generally put your brand, whether you're building a company, by just generating or creating a website using GROK AI. It writes the entire source code. It does the user interface for you, shape it well. Let's see locally when we learn that website locally. This is how previously it looked without the vision, mission, and all that. Let's refresh, and here our website keeps coming along very well. You see, even the user interface, it's being done perfectly. You don't need a developer to come fix for you. You can build our entire website using GROK AI. Perfect. So let's put something else in this website. And in this case, we are going to, let's see the mobile view. If your users of this website are going to use the mobile view, you can be able to see it, hiding it all well. Good. But now the navigation is not well arranged. We need a hamburger icon here for the menu on the mobile view. So let's do that. Purely we are coding this using AI. In the mobile responsiveness, have the hamburger icon menu and JavaScript enabled. JavaScript will ensure that once you click that icon, it opens up. The responsiveness, once you click a button on any website, it's all enabled using JavaScript. So that's why I've said JavaScript enabled, so that those who are new in programming will not be shocked what I'm writing, and click enter. Good. It's writing the entire code right now. kind of amazing how AI has come to help humanity in doing things, and I absolutely love it. Most people are worried that AI is coming to take over their jobs, and basically AI is coming to take over your job if you don't know how to use AI. Okay. So let's see whatever we have included here. Okay, we were including the mobile view. Let's copy this code again. Let's delete whatever we have. Let's paste. Let's go to the browser and refresh. Control Shift R. A Control Shift R is to hard refresh. Let's put this in a mobile view. Inspect. Let's see. Yeah, we have the mobile view of the menu. The hamburger icon is here and it's able to work. You can be able to see, but they are not well arranged. The navigation menu are not well arranged, but it still can be able to be used. Okay, about us, blog. We don't have the blog part. We have the contact us. We have the home page. So this website is coming along perfectly, and I'm loving it. So let's go again. Let's have the blog section. Amazing. So we come here. How can GROK help you? Because we are on the same tab of GROK, what we are going to say is include the blog section with sample images, title, and short description. Then click enter. We're gonna do this entire website using GROK. That's the perfect thing about it, and I'm loving it. Thank you for those who are joining. We're going to build this entire website using GROK AI. It does the user interface for you. As long as you have the right prompts. Being a prompt engineer right now is the new thing. A vibe programmer. Yeah, vibe programmers, here we go. Sometimes I wonder how we were doing competitive programming without AI, and this makes it even more interesting. Yep, we're waiting for it to preview. Yeah, let's see the preview of it. Thank you for those who are joining. Kindly do subscribe to the channel, like, share. Yep, let's see. We are including the blog section. Here it is. We can be able to see we have the title, and we have a short description of that particular blog. Though the images didn't show up, let's use the same URL we are using. Let's go to the GROK. Let's go to the GROK optimize prompt input. Let's say include in our blogs this website. No, not website. This image. We click enter. It will write the entire code similar to what we have. That's what I'm loving about GROK AI. It doesn't reshape or alter the user interface you started with, unlike ChatGPT. ChatGPT is doing worse because once it's writing the code, it has to reshape to another user UI. which is not a good thing. The first UI can be good, then it ruins it. But with GROK AI, it has the consistency of the design that you have. So in this case, the website for this client is almost done, and you can be able to cash out from it. So be it your brand you want to put online, use GROK AI, build a website. You only need to pay for hosting. Imagine that. You need to pay for hosting. How amazing AI has become. Let's see. Good. Let's see whether we have the images. Yep. Though it has outlined just for it has excluded for the others. Let's use in our blog section. Let me say in all the blogs. Let it rewrite that entire code so that we don't leave some of the images without or just being placeholders. You just need to use the right prompt and make the website the way you want it using AI. The future of programmers or developers, it's about to be fully taken by AI. AI is this smart. And for you to be in the market, you need to learn how to use AI to build websites. As for those who are coming are new into programming, for those who want to join the arena of development. Unlike us, when we were we never used AI doing competitive programming. My competitive programming handle at Facebook Hacker Cup, Google Code Jam, top coder is Rocket 12. You can check my history in competitive programming. And sometimes I wonder how we survived without AI. And GROK is doing it insanely, even doing perfect job. Look at that. We need now, even we have not even put the address, the colors for this website. We are yet to make it even beautiful now, but we're putting in the major parts of the website. What else do we need? We need to show our clients whether we can have our partners. Is that necessary? Let's not put that now. Let's have a pop-up for WhatsApp. Include a pop-up WhatsApp contact us button at the bottom. Is it right? Right, yes. Bottom right. Click enter. Using AI, building the entire website, man. And the client gonna get the clean code, well verified. If they need to fix the images, you can just upload them locally. For those who have the skills to do this locally, we can be able to go through that still if you get stuck. If you have any question, kindly do pop or comment, like, share and subscribe to support as we continue to use GROK AI building this website. Amazing. Wow, and it does the best UI. Let's see. Waiting for the preview. Amazing. Haha. Look at that. Look at that. We have the WhatsApp pop-up. In case the client want to contact the company directly, it does it here. Amazing. You see that? Can be able to contact you via WhatsApp. What else do we need? We need a gallery of the site, where a gallery of images of where they have gone out there to do the sourcing of goods, the logistic of those goods. So we can be able to say include the gallery gallery with the images sampled on the site as carousel. So the images of the gallery will just be sliding. That's what carousel mean in programming. Let's hit enter. Boom. The code will be updated. I'll update the register. The good thing is how GROK AI is retaining the entire user interface for this website without altering it, unlike ChatGPT. Let's see. Immediately it's done, we get the user interface preview. Oops, somebody says that my website is not showing. Their comments are not enabled. I don't know. I'll check. I don't know what I'm going to check with. Let me see. Edit. Oh, it's not meant for kids. Age restriction. No. Oh, I've updated. Sorry about that, guys. Amazing. Now we have the website. Let's see whether we have the gallery. Here it is. We have the gallery. Here we need to have the images. We'll still use the same image. Let's see whether we can have something else. I don't know whether it will decline. Use this image in all our gallery placeholder. Then the image URL, then click enter. It will write the entire code. It's fun to see how GROK AI has just come recently and it is doing the best job, which is amazing. Wow, means XAI has the best engineers you'll ever find. This is amazing. Yeah, totally amazing. I can try to imagine how GROK AI will be in the next like 5 years. XAI might IPO. Just a prediction. Might IPO. Something that would be amazing. Just a prediction. I'm not saying that he has already done it, but it will be great also. Amazing. Let's see the gallery. Amazing. The gallery, if I will need to have images of the warehouse of the site of this particular logistic company, I'll be able to replace those images as per the client's specs. You can be able to see I'm feeding everything using AI, literally anything. I'm using AI. So let's have include dummy contact details in eBay phone number. I'll just replace these contacts, or you can replace the contacts to the exact one as per the client's description: phone number, email, location. Yeah, let's see that. I'm trying to create this website as smart as I can. Guys, this is how smart AI is. I'm still waiting for my X premium badge to be reviewed again. I had made some changes. Quite kind of sucks because you lose visibility when your badge is out, and I'm hating it. Yeah, wish the review would be instant. Been how many days? Almost 4 days. God damn it. Waiting for the preview right now. You can be able to see it's doing the preview. Let's see. And this is just GROK 3. I can imagine how GROK 4 is insane. Oh yes, we have now these sample details, the contacts, etc. Yeah. What else do we need for this website? Let's say up to this point, okay, let's use which color, our main colors for the website to be our main colors of the website to be blue, yellow, and red. Let's see whether it will include those colors. It will light the entire code. Okay, let's see. Damn, I love how GROK AI is smart. I just love it. The next one, I'm going to build an entire with the backend, with the entire backend. So for the next video, kindly guys tune in for the next one. It's going to be insane, totally insane. I'm going to make these tutorials worth to watch. Yeah. Waiting for the preview of the site. After this YouTube video, I'm going to live stream these all to upload these on X just in a couple minutes. We are 46 minutes in. Drop your comment, any question. Oh, this is a bad cow. Wow. Nah, let me try something. Return to previous car. I don't know whether it will be able to remember. I kinda agree. I should have specified the navigation to have a specific color and the rest. Let's see. I will revert to those. Damn. You see how accurate it is? Even says we are reverting. It's how precise GROK AI is. Amazing. I'm using two machines here. Let's see. I'll try also to see whether I can build a mobile application using React Native or using GROK React Native to build a mobile application and host it on Google Play Store or App Store. I'm going to do some crazy things. Going to do a preview. I'm almost 1 hour to this video, building everything. Oh, god damn it. Yeah, let's go to the previous colors. I think this one is simple and great. What else do we need in this website? Let's say okay, that's a great footer. So far so good. So far so good. I can just copy this entire code, run the website locally, then save it. I'm using Sublime Text as my code editor. Control Shift R to hard reset, no, to hard refresh, sorry, and you can be able to see the website is doing gorgeous. Yeah, the user interface has been done using GROK. Let's see the mobile view. Perfect, we have that. Let's scroll. The website is mobile responsive, and now let's say you need to host it for your end users. So if you need to host it, you can just choose platforms like Hostager. Yeah, you can use platforms like Hostager. Search for a good domain for your client. Yeah, I'm going to leave a Hostager link down so that you can also do the same. You can choose one to host in the domain, any plan using Hostager, and host this website for your client. And that's how you make money right now, today, using AI, and as easy as that. So guys, I appreciate everyone for joining this YouTube video or YouTube live stream. I love to do live streams rather than just recording videos. For those who were on my previous YouTube channel, this one also I am doing the same. Let's be doing live streams. Thank you. See you next time. Please subscribe and share to your friends to run on the same tactics. Thank you.